Hey there, nature enthusiasts! Today I'm bringing you the most epic showdown in the animal kingdom, a wild and unpredictable battle royale that'll blow your mind. Grab your seats because this is going to be intense. In the first shocking matchup, we witnessed something truly incredible. A tiny bee weighing just about 0.1 grams went head-to-head with an army ant. Despite the ant's reputation as one of nature's most fierce warriors, the bee's precise stinger and aerial advantage proved too much to handle. Who would have thought that this buzzing underdog would emerge victorious? But the surprises didn't stop there. In another corner of our arena, a magnificent Komodo dragon, the largest living lizard species, faced off against a colorful parrot. While the parrot had the advantage of flight and intelligence, the Komodo dragon's powerful bite, filled with deadly bacteria, and its lightning-quick reflexes sealed the deal. The scaly giant claimed another victim. Now here's where things got really interesting. Fresh off its victory, the Komodo dragon, confident and intimidating, squared up against our previous winner, the bee. The odds seemed impossibly stacked against our tiny friend. But in a twist that nobody saw coming, the bee's agility and precise targeting led to a stunning victory. This just proves that in nature, size isn't everything. Meanwhile, in the aquatic arena, a graceful yet deadly stingray was making waves. It systematically eliminated both a sturdy crab and a powerful lobster. The way it glided through the water, using its venomous barb with surgical precision, was both beautiful and terrifying to watch. But perhaps the most impressive display came from a blast from the past, the woolly mammoth. This prehistoric powerhouse showed why it was once the king of the Ice Age, easily overwhelming both a quick-footed centipede and a clever mouse. The ground literally shook as this giant demonstrated its raw power. And folks, this is just the beginning. There are more incredible matchups to come, more surprising victories to witness, and more jaw-dropping moments that'll challenge everything you thought you knew about the animal kingdom. Who will emerge as the ultimate champion? Which unexpected contender will rise to the top? Stay tuned for the next installment of this wild animal battle royale, where we'll see more amazing creatures go head-to-head in the most extraordinary competition nature has ever seen. Trust me, you won't want to miss what happens next in this epic showdown. Remember, in the animal kingdom, anything is possible, and the smallest competitor might just turn out to be the mightiest warrior. Until next time, keep your eyes on the arena because this battle is far from over.